Namaste everyone, myself Dilesh and I welcome you all on behalf of Sri Swaminarayan Gurukul, the Yoga University International and SGVP Ahmedabad Gurukul. Friends, dreams has become reality now. So finally we are in association with SGVP, we are going to start Yoga Alliance Teachers Training course. So this is the orientation session where we will understand what we are going to learn in this course and what is everything is there. The syllabus, the modules, and how we are going about the duration, batches and everything. So let me start with this first. Yes. So friend, this is our campus in Ahmedabad where we all are going to have a real taste of yoga, meditation and our teachers training course in the Syrian campus. It's a huge campus as you can see and some of you already have seen the video also. So this is a Yoga Alliance certified 200 hours as well as 500 hours yoga teachers training course. Friend, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity to become now internationally renowned yoga teacher. So in today's orientation session, we are going to focus on these 5 points. First of all, this is practicing yoga is important from where we are learning. So this is the world's leading and authentic traditional yoga institute, which is there in the Ahmedabad and the branch is in here in Kharghar. We have designed exclusively 7 yoga modules to bring out which covers overall development of yoga teacher in all its aspects. It's not only about teaching asana, pranayama and meditation, but to bringing out the best in you, to stand out with the people, the best experts in the yoga in the today's world. This is one of the only places in the world that where we are going to bring together the team of swamis, doctors and successful professional yoga teachers. This is a absolutely combined together of our Eastern, our ancient science as well as the Western science together, and through that we are going to have a leading and traditional way of learning the yoga in its true sense. This is the International Yoga Certification with practical tools to actively balance your life and the life of the others. Along with it, our exclusive person, he is going to have a session after me. He's going to talk on this 5th point, that how to build a profitable and successful yoga career from the scratch, where you can make over 1 lakh a month. So all these points we're going to discuss one by one now. So first of all, let me discuss about the modules. What we are going to learn, the 7 exclusive modules. To become a successful yoga teacher, we need 2 things. First, we should have a strong foundation of our ancient Indian yoga practice. And along with it, second, very important, to have a high standards of professional habits. So this course covers up these 2 aspects in totally. So this course is covered in such a way that with the modern technology, which suits the people of any ages, whether you are youngster or the middle age or even your old age. But if you wish to become yoga teacher, this course is absolutely suitable for you. Along with this course is absolutely suitable for the people of any mental temperament. Some people are beginners into yoga, very much freshers. Even they can also do the course and they can have a live a good yogic lifestyle. Some of you want to become a professional yoga teacher. Some of them want to have a yogic lifestyle, to have a rejuvenation in their whole day-to-day life and to imbibe the yogic values in their life and in their own self personal practice. So this course and these modules are designed in such a way, those who want to become a yoga teacher, successful yoga teacher, it's suitable for them. Along with it, those who want for own self-development, this course is also suitable for that one. This is one of the only leading place where we have all the swamis and doctors. I'm going to introduce our team also, where which swamis, doctors and the team of teachers are going to conduct this course. So this is our first module. This first module is about multi-style asanas experts. It covers the 200 plus all the asanas. Asanas are very important limb of yoga, where we have these four most popular kind of asanas. We have Ashtanga asanas, Hatha Yoga asanas, rehabilitative asanas, and advanced asanas. So this is a complete course where you're going to learn the asanas from beginners to advanced level. Plus you're going to learn Hatha Yogic asanas in its true sense, the way it is written in our classical textbooks. Along with it, there is Ashtang series. The primary series is also there. Is another little dynamic practice of asanas that is also being covered in this course. After completing this module 1, you don't have to go you don't have to go anywhere to learn any kind of asanas. Your all queries, your all thrust for all the asanas which are existent is completing in this module. We are going to cover up all the list of asanas which are existent and which are being mentioned in the all the classical textbooks of India. So you hunt for any other course, for the asanas, for any other expert, you don't need to go anywhere. Just complete this module 1. In this module 1, everything about asanas are being covered up in its totality. In this, we are going to cover up the techniques, modifications, progressions, everything is going to be covered up in detail in this module. Along with this, the second module we have designed is anatomy and physiology expert. Why is this expert? Because this module has been designed under the guidance of the doctors. About those doctors, I will tell you later on as we go on introducing the team of our experts. So under their guidance, this absolute the module has been designed which cover up the muscular system, respiratory, circulatory, digestive, reproductive, and excretory, endocrine, nervous, and lymphatic, which are needed as a yoga teacher point of view. As a subject of anatomy physiology is very vast, but as a yogic point of view, for example, how the connection of asanas with the system, connection of pranayam with the systems, connection of meditation with the systems, how this asanas, pranayam, meditation influences our system. For that we need a basic understanding of subject. So this basic understanding of subject is absolutely necessary. So how, for example, to take the example of, for example, Shirshasana. We say Shirshasana helps to increase your memory. Shirshasana helps to increase your concentration. But how it is helps you? For that, we need to understand the systems very well. The nervous system, endocrine system, there are many asanas. Sarvangasana is good for the thyroid. But how? But where thyroid is located? How it is get stimulated? So all this medical understanding we need it. So all these are being covered under this subject. So in detail, as per asana, pranayam, and meditation yoga point of view, whatever the basic things are needed in anatomy and physiology, that is in detail you are being explained in this modules. And therefore, this module is one of the very important to make you to imbibe the scientific values in you, to connect asanas, pranayam, and meditation with the scientific current scientific techniques with the system, how it influences, how it affects your body systems. The third module is pranayam. In pranayam, we are going to cover all the pranayam techniques mentioned in Hatha Pradipika, that is a classical textbooks, and Viren Samhita. These are the major one list of pranayams I have been mentioned. Some of you might don't know the names, that is okay. So it is named in such a way so those who want to understand which pranayam I am going to learn, you're going to these are going to be covered up in this. So these pranayam are again from the beginners to advanced level. All the pranayam has been covered. After this module, after completing this module, again you don't have to go anywhere to learn any other because there is no other pranayam existent apart from it. So all the pranayam practices are being covered in detail in this module 3. Then the next is module 4, where we are going to study the different schools of yoga. In yoga, we have different schools like Jnana Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Raja Yoga, Karma Yoga, and there are other many streams are there. So all these schools of yoga we are going to understand. We are going to have comparative study of all these different schools of yoga so that your knowledge about yoga get widened. Yoga is not only about asana, not only about pranayam, not only about meditation. It is much beyond it. So different schools of yoga are there. Along with it, how it is connected with us, how we can utilize the techniques mentioned in different schools of yoga to have our personality development. All these are being very nicely we have covered up in this module 4. Along with it, there are latest new modern forms of yoga has been come out, like aerial yoga and other forms of yoga are available. So that is also we are going to have a glimpse of that also. We are going to learn those also. So aerial yoga we are going to cover up in this module. Plus other styles of yoga, the modern yoga like prop and other kind of yoga has been developed. That we are going to understand, that we are going to learn. Along with it, Iyengar style of yoga is there. That also we are going to cover up in this module. Along with it is to be done under guidance of Iyengar yoga expert. So all these things, all different schools of yoga are being covered up. So you don't have to go anywhere after completing this course because everything is covered up under this module 4. The next module is module 5, that is a meditation. For meditation, we have covered up 15 different techniques of meditation which suits the people of different mental temperaments. So from beginner level, intermediate level, advanced level, all the techniques of meditations are covered up. And this meditation is to be done under the guidance of our own Swamiji. I'll give about in the introduction, we will have later on their introduction. So this is done under and all the spiritual meditation and plus people, those who want for mental silence, mental calmness and all. Any kind of person, more stressful person, more depressed person or general working person. Every suitable people have different temperaments and different temperament. We need techniques suitable to that. And it is in this module we are going to cover up those students who are going to enroll this course. We are going to assess their which technique is suitable for their own personal growth and how the medicine techniques to be given to the people of different temperaments as the students comes to you, how to analyze and which techniques should be suitable, how to decide. All these things are exclusively covered up in this module. After that, the next module is to become subject expert. Because to have a practical understanding is good, but along with the practical understanding, we need a theory knowledge also, so that it makes you a totally complete teacher. Only just having practical is not going to work. You need a subject to understanding of that is extremely necessary. And for that, what is yoga, how the yoga philosophy has come, what it actually says, it is suitable for whom. All these queries has been come. What are the problems we have? How to do sadhana? What kind of food we needed? Everything in detail we have covered up. The base of this is again the classical Indian textbook like Patanjali Yoga Sutras, Hatha Pratipika, Ghiren Samhita, Bhagavad Gita, and other Vedas and Upanishads selected shlokas we have chosen so that it makes you a complete understanding of the subject. We are going to cover up the effect of each and every asana. Like we generally say, Bhujangasana helps to relieve the back pain, or Sarvangasana is good for the thyroid, but how it is possible, how it works, that we need to understand, the mechanism we need to understand. And all these things we are going to cover up in this module 6, where we are going to clear about detail yoga philosophy plus asanas and pranayams, everything to be together we are going to cover up under this. So all this theoretical understanding we are going to cover up in module 6 so that your understanding of the subject become very much strong. Next is module 7, Yogipreneur. This topic is going to be covered up by the Sanjay sir. I'm not going to talk about this, so he will explain you about this module, what we are going to learn in this module. Along with this, in this course also we are going to offer, there are many, as we know, SGVP Holistic Hospital is in Ahmedabad. This is India's, not only India, but the world's leading holistic hospital, where we treat the patients with yoga, Ayurveda, and allopathic treatments are given together. You might have seen in the video the few glimpses of the hospital. So where we are going to give you, these are the offerings also we have during this course. There is Abhyanga massage, Shirodhara, Mukhalepanan, horse riding is a something fantastic way of enjoyment we have in the campus. It's a very good, it's a wonderful journey of being having horse riding. Along with this, visit to Holistic SJP Holistic Hospital, which is India's leading hospital, and this hospital has been inaugurated by India's Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Again, we are going to have a Gandhi Ashram visit over there. Kakaria Lake, it's one of the popular place in the Gujarat. So we are going to have that too. So in weekends, we are going to have fun fair over there. Along with it, we are going to have Ayurveda doctors sessions, allopathy doctors sessions, and the exclusive spiritual session by our own Swamiji. Let me introduce our team who are going to be part of this teachers training course. First of all, Sadguru Shastri Shri Madhav Das Ji Swami. He is a spiritual master at SGVP Gurukul. Swamiji is the visionary of the modern Gurukul. His vision is to spread the message of yoga and spirituality. Swamiji has received an honor of Vidvat Bhushan and master's degree in Vedant with 3 gold medals. Swamiji represents Sri Swaminarayan Gurukul all over the world. Next is myself. My mastery is in Yoga Asana, Pranayam, Meditation, Philosophy, Anatomy and Physiology. I have trained hundreds of teachers and thousands of beginners. I have been gold medalist and featured in 21 yoga experts in 2020. I'm author of the recently launched my book, Asanas Unraveled, the comprehensive asana manual, and which is available all over worldwide. Those who want to understand, explore the asanas, they must read this book. We have an international teacher, Vanessa Cirelli. She is asana and alignment specialist. She taught yoga all over the world, including USA, France, and India. She's been in close contact with international students, and her unique set of teaching skills create the best experience. The next teacher is Hetal Desai. She is Iyengar yoga expert. She is a yoga consultant and health motivator. She has conducted 1,000 plus yoga episodes on ETV Gujarati, GTPL, Colors TV, and DD Nationals. Then as I said, the module 2, Anatomy and Physiology, we have created under the guidance of these 2 doctors. Dr. Praveen Hirpara, he is an Ayurveda expert. His vast experience accumulated over 21 years has made him one of the leading consultants in the field of Ayurveda. His articles have been published in the daily newspaper like Jai Hind and Sandesh, and in the magazines like Sakhi, Health Wealth, Chitralekha, and Health Club. The next doctor, Dr. Manthan Patel, he is a neurosurgeon. He is a reputed neurosurgeon with vast experience in the field of neurosurgical diseases, head injury, brain and spine tumor. He is a specialist in the brain and neurological system. The next is Mudra Verma. She is a rehab yoga expert. Her aim is to teach traditional yoga with correct and scientific techniques. She helps others with the rehab yoga, postures and alignment to prevent injuries in yoga, japa and mantra chanting. Sohaila Akbar, she is an Ashtanga yoga expert. She is expert in advanced asana and correct alignment of postures with thorough understanding of complete Ashtanga primary series. Mala Rao, she is a traditional Hatha Yoga expert. She has been teaching yoga since the past 15 years. Her mission is to enable people to lead a healthy and fulfilling life and realizing that the power to heal is within oneself. And as I told you, the module 7, the Yogipreneur, the Sanjay Singh Jadeja, he is going to explain us. So he is an entrepreneur, author and speaker. He is on the journey of transformation and contribution. The wonderful thing about him is that at the age of 25, he is the founder and CEO of the 3 leading organizations. And he will help you with the tools, strategy and system to build your yoga story a huge and meaningful. So this is about a course and a team of our experts. So now the duration of the course and timings I'm going to explain you. The batches, there are 3 batches we are going to have. The 200 hours teachers training course, it's a weekend batch. Those who want to pursue this weekend batch, the duration of this course is 20th March to 30th of May. The days will be every Saturday and Sundays. So those who are working people, they can opt for this weekend course. The timing will be 3 to 7 p.m. Location will be in our Kharghar Center. And along with this Kharghar Center, we are going to have 2 night and 3 days exclusive training at our SGVP campus in Ahmedabad. The next batch is 200-hour teachers training course. Is a weekday batch. The duration of this batch is 1st April to 30th May, and the days will be Monday to Friday. Timing is 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Location is in Kharghar. Along with this, we are going to have 2 night and 3 days exclusive training at our SGVP campus. Believe me, friends, these 2 nights they are going to be very, very memorable part of your life because we have exciting program for both weekend and weekdays patches in the campus. Those who want to opt for the residential course, because we're offering residential course also, so it's a 500 hours teachers training course, residential course. The duration of this course is 1st of May to 30th of May, and it is exclusively will be in the campus itself in Ahmedabad. Along with this, we are going to have a 200-hour teachers training course, non-residential course also we are going to have in campus in Ahmedabad. So people who are living in the Gujarat and Ahmedabad nearby area, they can go for this course also. So this way we are going to have a 4 teachers training courses. I'm repeating once again, 200-hour teachers training course weekend batch, duration 20th March to 30th of May, every Saturday and Sunday, 3 to 7 p.m. at Kharghar, plus 2 night 3 days exclusive training at our SGVP campus. The second weekday batch, 1st April to 30th May, Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. in Kharghar, with 2 night and 3 days exclusive training at our SGVP campus. Those who are not non-Indians, international students, just let me tell you, Kharghar is in Navi Mumbai in India. Yes, and the 500-hour teachers training course in residential courses, 1st of May to 30th May, SGVP campus, Ahmedabad in Gujarat state. So this is a few testimonials of our teachers training course, the people who have done teachers training course under our in our different courses. So this is some of the testimonials that have been given by this course has improved my attention on those micro movements, not only bodily but also mentally, which helps further in understanding myself on subtler level by Madhav. Dilay Sara explains all the concept deeply and thoroughly, which helps to establish a great understanding of the sequence as well as postures by Kavita. The syllabus is designed in such a way that theory and practicals go side by side. Even a beginner could easily understand and follow it. By Sunita, I learned the practice broad range of yoga asana, experience how to draw on the physical, energetic and spiritual benefits of yoga by Manisha. It's a global course, incorporates vigorous practices and also classical yoga theory, physiology, anatomy. Dilesha is among top expert in the world, well trained, Ravindra. So friends, this is few testimonials I am sharing with you, but I would suggest we are all time available. Whatever doubts, whatever queries you have, you can ask. We are going to have Q&A section where all your queries going to be, I'm going to taken up. So now, before taking Q&A, we have exclusive session by Sanjay Singh Jadeja. The topic is once in a lifetime opportunity. So what is this once in a lifetime opportunity? Let me invite Sanjay Singh Jadeja sir to come and he will explain you about the further thing. And whatever doubts, queries you have our website number, that is www.theyogauniversity.in. You can note down the number also. I'll give you all the details of our contact numbers and everything later on. So, okay. So let me invite Sanjay Singh Jadeja sir. So he will take up the session now.
Finally, first of all, thank you so much, Dilesh sir. I'm so excited. मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता कि मैं कितना एक्साइटेड हूँ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू सो मच टू ईच वन ऑफ यू. सैटरडे संडे यानी मतलब ओके आराम से उठेंगे और कहीं पे बाहर जाना है तो बाहर जाएंगे, लेकिन आप स्पेशली टाइम निकाल करके स्पेशली आज यहाँ पर ये जूम कॉल पे आए हो, उसका मतलब है कि यू आर एक्साइटेड. आप कुछ ऐसा करना चाहते हो जो मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट द जर्नी ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एंड कंट्रीब्यूशन. कि अगर अपने लास्ट ब्रीथ तक हमने अपने आप को बेटर नहीं बनाया और दूसरे लोगों की लाइफ को टच नहीं किया तो ये लाइफ क्या काम नहीं. सो अभी मैं आपको कुछ ऐसा इंट्रोड्यूस करने वाला हूं कि जो वंस इन अ लाइफ टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटी है. अभी मैं जितने भी हैप्पी फेसेस देख रहा हूं, आप सबके चेहरे पे जो एक अडोरेबल स्माइल देख रहा हूं, यू नो हम जब पहली बार मतलब जो भी काम करते हैं उसके लिए जो एक्साइटमेंट होता है, फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे यहाँ पर सबसे ज्यादा सब मदर है, तो पहली बार जो मदर बनने की खुशी होती है, पहली बार जो भी मतलब बहुत सारी कुछ ऐसा अचीवमेंट होता है जो हम पहली बार करते हैं, तब वो बियॉन्ड द इमेजिनेशन होती है। तो उसी तरह से सबसे पहले श्री स्वामीनारायण गुरुकुल विश्वविद्या प्रतिष्ठानम यानी कि SGVP एंड श्री स्वामीनारायण गुरुकुल द योगा यूनिवर्सिटी जो कि खारगर में है, द योगा यूनिवर्सिटी, ये दोनों बहुत टाइम से बहुत कुछ रिसर्च चल रहा था कि भाई योगा स्टूडेंट की लाइफ को टच करना है और ऐसे लीडर तैयार करने हैं कि सिर्फ जो कोर्स करके अपने कंफर्ट जोन में चले जाए ऐसा नहीं, बट ऐसे योगा टीचर तैयार करने हैं कि जो ऐसे लीडर बने उनकी कम्युनिटी में, उनकी सोसाइटी में, उनकी सिटी में, कंट्री में, ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड में कुछ ऐसी इंपैक्ट ला सके जिससे सबको लगे ओ माय गॉड व्हाट अ कंट्रीब्यूशन, व्हाट अ वंडरफुल ह्यूमन बीइंग। तो उस हिसाब से हमने एक जोरदार सिस्टम तैयार की है। स्पेशली आप सबको पता होगा, आप सब इसलिए ज्यादा लकी हो, इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ वंस इन अ लाइफ टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटी, क्योंकि जनरली श्री स्वामीनारायण गुरुकुल में बहनों के लिए बहुत सारी लिमिटेशन होती है, वहां पर वो जा नहीं सकते। लेकिन फर्स्ट टाइम यहाँ पर सबका प्रेम देख के, आप सबका सपोर्ट देख के, आप सबके सिस्टम के कारण हमने डिसाइड किया है कि यस दिस इज द फाइनल टाइम टू कन्विंस स्वामी जी को कन्विंस करें और कुछ ऐसा स्टार्ट करें कि जो कुछ ऐसे लीडर क्रिएट करें ओनली फॉर दिस ईयर। ये जो अपॉर्चुनिटी है ओनली फॉर दिस ईयर है, और जो भी ये अपॉर्चुनिटी का लाभ लेने वाला है उसके लिए पूरी लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्म होने वाली है। तो क्या है वंस इन अ लाइफ टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटी? सो आर यू ऑल एक्साइटेड? आई कैन सी दैट ईच वन ऑफ यू आर एक्साइटेड, सो यस सर जी। नेक्स्ट, सबसे पहले मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट पॉइंट, ये मॉड्यूल को ध्यान रखते हुए हमने जो खास ध्यान दिया है, जनरली क्या होता है कि आप कहीं से भी योगा टीचर ट्रेनिंग का कोर्स करते हो, कोई 1 मंथ 2 मंथ 1 ईयर 3 ईयर समथिंग XYZ, वो कोर्स कंप्लीट करने के बाद आइडिया ही नहीं होता है। आप ज्यादातर योगा टीचर को पूछिए कोर्स क्या उसके बाद में किया, उनको आइडिया ही नहीं होता है कि एग्जैक्ट अब वो दूसरे ही दिन से अपनी जर्नी की शुरुआत कैसे कर सके। तो उसके लिए हमने स्पेशली मॉड्यूल तैयार किया है जिसका नाम है योगी प्रेन्योर। यस, गेट स्टार्टेड विथ क्लास प्रोफाइल एंड वीडियो। मतलब कि अभी एक एक हमारी मेंटालिटी होती है कि मैं इतने परफेक्ट लेवल पर पहुंच जाऊंगी या पहुंच जाऊंगा उसके बाद में स्टार्ट करूंगा, लेकिन ऐसे नहीं होता है। लेट मी टेल यू लिटिल बिट अबाउट माई सेल्फ। मैं गुजरात के एक बहुत ही छोटे से प्यारे से गांव से बिलोंग करता हूँ। जब बाहर जाने जर्नी की शुरुआत हुई अलग अलग सिटी में, फाइनली मुंबई में, बहुत लोगों ने बोला कुछ स्टार्ट करना है तो इतना परफेक्शन चाहिए, आपका कम्युनिकेशन इतना परफेक्ट होना चाहिए, आपको आपको बहुत ज्यादा कैपिटल चाहिए, पैसा चाहिए। लेकिन मैं आप सबको बताना चाहता हूँ, चाहे आप हाउसवाइफ हो, चाहे आप कुछ भी जॉब कर रहे हो या कुछ भी आपके फील्ड में कर रहे हो, आपके पास अगर कोई अमाउंट नहीं भी है फिर भी आप कहीं से भी एक जर्नी की शुरुआत कर सकते हो, आप अपनी एक न्यू स्टोरी स्टार्ट कर सकते हो। तो किस तरह से इस मॉड्यूल में सिखाया जाएगा कि आप किस तरह से सेकंड डे से ही अपने क्लास स्टार्ट कर सको, आप अपनी योगा स्टोरी, आप अपनी प्रोफाइल एंड वीडियो किस तरह से बिल्ड कर सको, specific tools and techniques through which you can able to earn minimum 50K to 1 lakh per month by working for just 3 to 4 hours in a week. Yes, हमारे पास ऑलरेडी ऐसे टेस्टिमोनियल है, ऑलरेडी ऐसे टीचर जुड़े हुए हैं कि जो ओनली फॉर मॉर्निंग में 2 से 3 क्लास लेते हैं और वो आराम से 50K टू मोर देन 1 लाख रुपीस अर्न करते हैं। यानी कि देखो ये जर्नी है वो कंट्रीब्यूशन की है, लेकिन कंट्रीब्यूशन के साथ साथ में बाय प्रोडक्ट में आती है फाइनेंशियल यानी कि मनी। तो यहाँ पर हमने उसको सिस्टमेटिकली एक्सप्लेन किया है कि जिनके थ्रू आप चाहे अपनी फैमिली को वो पैसे से हेल्प करना चाहो, आपकी कम्युनिटी को हेल्प करना चाहो, कोई सोशल एनजीओ में हेल्प करना चाहो, या अपनी लाइफ में कुछ ज्यादा बेटर सीखना है उसके लिए यूज करना चाहो, तो ये फाइनेंस आपको यहाँ से इंपॉर्टेंट होगा। All support to establish your own studio or get our lifetime membership and grew up faster. जनरली क्या होता है कि लोगों को जो भी कोर्स करते हैं उसमें लाइफ टाइम हैंड होल्डिंग सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता, लेकिन ये सिस्टम को हमने उस तरह से डिजाइन किया है कि आपके स्टूडियो को एकदम स्क्रैच लेवल से आपने डिसाइड किया मुझे स्टूडियो करना है योगा का, लेकिन मुझे कुछ आइडिया नहीं है, सपोर्ट आइडिया नहीं है, मार्केटिंग आइडिया नहीं है, क्या करूं कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, मुझे योगा थोड़ा बहुत सिखाना आता है या कोर्स से सीख जाऊंगी लेकिन उसके बाद में क्या, तो यहाँ पर आपको A to Z सपोर्ट मिलेगा हमारी पूरी कम्युनिटी का। रिफाइनमेंट ऑफ डेमोन्स्ट्रेट एंड टीचिंग पब्लिक स्पीकिंग स्किल। अभी जनरली क्या होता है जैसे कि लोग ऐसा मानते हैं, स्टूडेंट ऐसा मानते हैं कि हाँ मैंने कोर्स कर लिया इसका मतलब सब कुछ फिनिश, लेकिन जो एक स्किल होती है कि ग्रुप को आपको किस तरह से इनवाइट करना है, किस तरह से आपके पास जो स्किल है उसको एक्सप्रेस करना है और किस तरह से लोगों को आपके साथ में जोड़ना है, ये ज्यादातर लोगों को आइडिया ही नहीं होता। तो यहाँ पर आपको जो एक पब्लिक स्पीकिंग स्किल है, जो किस तरह से लोगों को राइट वे में वैल्यू प्रोवाइड करनी है, इंस्टेंट वैल्यू देनी है, उसकी यहाँ पर आपको पूरी सिस्टम सिखाई जाएगी। इन शॉर्ट में अगर मैं योगी प्रेन्योर मॉड्यूल को एक्सप्लेन करूं, तो योगा आपको सिखाना आ गया, लेकिन जर्नी की शुरुआत कहाँ से होगी और किस तरह से आप अपने हाईएस्ट पोटेंशियल को यूज